guys, Wilson from On the Mewve here. Got a real quick repair video today. Some of you guys have these MaxxAir type fans in the RVs. They're great fans. You can pull air in and out of the RV very quickly. We love ours. And sometimes there's an issue with them. They have some parts that just are maybe not made up to the standards I would appreciate, and they need to be replaced every once in a while. So I'm just going to do a real quick video about how to replace part of the fan, the actual part that runs the fan open and closed, which will hopefully keep the rain out of your RV. So we're going to replace this one small part. Stay tuned. So this is the part that I'm talking about. It's a mechanical electric lift, and it seems to be a little weak from a construction standpoint, and sometimes these will break and you'll have to replace them. They're actually fairly easy to replace. So all we're going to do is take our cover off of the fan, and then we're going to open the fan itself up, replace this, and it'll work like brand new. Just 4 clips that you have to pull out. Then you have a spacer that comes off, and then your cover should pop right off, revealing the fan cover itself. As we open this up, there's no resistance, and so that means that the component here is broken. And I'll go ahead and undo the fan, the cover. These 2 side arms will just pop out. Just be a little careful because you are dealing with plastic. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get out. Top flips open. And now we can look and see this component that is broken. So this is the part that works with the motor, and I don't know if you can see, but it's all cracked. In fact, there it goes. It's just completely crumbled. So we're going to undo these screws, we're going to remove it and replace it with a new one. Save your screws. You're going to need these to replace because they don't come with new screws. You can order these parts directly from Amazon or from an online parts store. I'll try to drop a link down below just in case you need one. Again, it's in pieces. And that's why our fan was not working. So down inside you have a sprocket. It's going to meet up with this or match up with it. We're going to stick this down in there. It's going to go right over the top of that sprocket. Our new piece will fit over this octagonal piece of metal, and then we're going to tighten everything down. We want to be careful tightening this down because we don't want the same issue that we had before. Now it's tight, not overly tight. Now we're going to reattach our arms here to our cover so it will function correctly. back in. Now we're gonna have to turn the fan on to get the cover to go back down, and then we'll make sure everything works, and we'll tighten everything else back up. We'll put our clips back on and the MaxxAir vent cover back on as well. So it closed like it's supposed to. Now we're going to open it back up. We're going to make sure that our fan works. And it works like brand new. Easy fix, save yourself a ton of money. All right, so our last step here, we're gonna put our cover back on. We're gonna put our spacers and our pins. And now to the other side. Spacers. And this job is complete.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.